So Notion released 3 incredible features over the last couple of days that fix my brand new simple projects template using tasks, subtasks, sprints, and projects. So simple projects consists of 2 databases, one for simple tasks and the other for simple projects. The projects database will house projects and sprints. The tasks database will house tasks and subtasks. Let's say you're running 3 projects, one for marketing material, the second for designing your website, and the third one for identifying product features. And let's subdivide the marketing material project into brochures and welcome kit as sprints. So to go with the flow, I put in 4 simple tasks in the tasks database. So you'll notice that I've prefixed this by T to indicate a task. For each of the tasks, I've identified subtasks inside of the database, which also carry a subtask serial number. Tasks will not have a number assigned to them. Each task and subtask has a date, a status, and a responsibility assigned. So projects and sprints also have responsibility assignments. So to link subtasks to tasks, there's a relation created within the simple tasks database. To link tasks and subtasks to projects, a relation is created between the simple projects database and the simple tasks database. To search for tasks easily inside the relation property, you just need to use the task shortcut that we created inside of the task subtask property. Each status of the tasks database is rolled back up into the projects database. So if you look closer inside of the projects database, you can recognize the correct status for each task or subtask. So if a task or a subtask is overdue, it's marked with an exclamation mark through formulae, whereas if it's complete under status, it won't be marked so. The first feature that Notion introduced is actually for the board view. Now you just need to click on the card, make your edits, and go back into the board view. And you can easily edit things like titles, responsibility, formulae, or even relations between databases. It even reflects the notes that you can leave for your team members. If you want to copy the relation, the date, or any other value inside a cell into the preceding or subsequent cells of a column, simply drag it by holding the small blue circle with the mouse. So this copy feature is similar to other spreadsheet applications to easily copy text across the same column or the same row. But since Notion follows a column-only approach, it can only be done within a single column. So this brings us to our new third feature. Now progress bars can easily be created right inside of the roll-up property. This one is with a twist. It's marked against the status property, and when it's marked as done, it shows it as complete, which technically makes it against text. So the project board view has the name of the sprint, the task, and the subtasks listed, the status of each of the tasks and subtasks, the progress bar against completed tasks or subtasks, the responsibility, and finally the final due date against all the tasks and subtasks. So inside this seems straightforward, but there are different formulae that makes this simple project work seamlessly. The timeline view is incredible. It shows you all the tasks, and if it's a subtask, which task it's linked back to, the status, and the project completion percentage. So there is a link in the description on how you can pick up the template. If you want to stay updated regarding some mind-bending functionality within Notion, consider clicking on subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified.